We've been investigating a case where on the 29th of November, assailants attacked one Tom Tasibwa of Nkokonjeru B in Kitimbwa sub-county of Kayunga district. According to his wife, Annette, on that fateful night, they had people tiptoeing from outside, and when they opened a window, they saw two people holding pangas, and when the husband came out to check who they were, they had run to the behind part of the house. It is said that they had had him touching, those people touching the pen where the goats sleep. So he came out to rescue the goats. And that's how he was attacked. He was cut by pangas, and when she made alarm, those people took off. In our custody, we have one Moses to help us in investigations, and others are accordingly still on the run. We urge the community to liaise with police to give us any relevant information that can help us to have the perpetrators arrested so that they are taken to court and our deceased gets justice. You find a lot of murders we register, a lot of assault cases. Some of them, when you investigate, they have a history, something to do with a land matter behind. So otherwise, it is like any other district, and we are policing. I should say that some of the death cases will register as sudden deaths, though people say they are related to empolomoro, which is kind of witchcraft. But for us as police, we don't investigate witchcraft because it's not catered for in the Penal Code Act. But of course, we investigate having that at the back of the mind, because that's what the community around says. The file is still being, we are still compiling evidence. By this week, by end of this week, the file will have been submitted to RS.